So I'm going to read my story, and while I'm reading, I'm going to think about who is the main character. I think it's this one here. And what happens at the beginning, middle, and the end. And I chose a short book, so I didn't spend all day doing this with you. Okay, it's called Things I Like to Do. Not me, but the things that this moose likes to do. He says, I can play the piano. I like to play. I can read a book. I like to read. I can bake a cake. I like to bake. I can paint a picture. I like to paint. I can clean my room. I do not like to clean. Yeah, me neither. This is still a fiction book because does a moose really do all these activities? Does he really paint? Does he really clean? No, he doesn't even dress like this. So it's a fiction book, but as you can see, the main character was the moose. So have a look at the slide just now, because I had my paper into the beginning, the middle, and the end. And if you look in the beginning, I copied a picture from the beginning of the story. Because what happened at the beginning? He said, I can play the piano. So I put that picture. I didn't want to do all the writing because I'm feeling a little lazy today. I just wanted to do a little bit. So I just wrote down, I can play the piano. Then I thought, what happened in the middle? So I looked, oh, there's the middle of the book, and I thought about which picture do I want to put in? And I chose the one that said, I can bake a cake. And I put the picture. You're going to draw. I cheated, but that's okay. And I wrote, I can bake a cake. And then I looked at the end of the story to see what the character was doing. And he was cleaning. And he said, I can clean my room. So I looked to see what was my character in the story doing at the beginning, the middle, and the end. So you need to look at your book and choose 3 different things. What was your character doing at the beginning, the middle, and the end? You remember, you're going to be drawing your pictures. I cheated. Don't tell the other teachers. Have a great time doing this.